Welcome to today's intention. Today we're going to talk about, continue about the reading. The reading is maybe the most important thing after the intention, because the intention gives you the possibility or the road to make something. Because when you have an intention, actually you decide something and you make a road. But to go on that road, you need to go by energy. So this road is just possible to road. This way is possible to road by the energy. And the energy is always the movement. And the movement just became from the rhythm. Means rhythm is energy. Not rhythm, no energy. And no energy, not road. And your intention disappear. So it's important, it means that it's important to practice the rhythm, because it's the only way to achieve your goals, to make the game. So how can we practice the rhythm? We can practice 10 minutes based on the sound. For example, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Always in that rhythm you make 10 minutes. It means if the ball is close to you, you have to wait 1, 2. Wait means that to deal with this tempo, if the ball is far from you, you have to count 1 and run faster to set the number 2 in the same tempo. And also you can do another exercise, 1, 2, 1, 2. A little bit more short, tempo short. And then you are going to do that for 10 minutes. And you will see that when you are on tempo, you don't need reason, you don't need control, you don't need security, you don't need nothing, because you are on the way. You are transform the energy into movement. And when that happens, you don't need reason, you don't need nothing. You don't need technique, you don't need knowledge, nothing, because you are getting on the road on the energy. So we have to use more the sound. We have to in some way listen the sound, pay attention to the sound, because from the sound became the game. Not from what you see, because what you see depends on the light, the shadow, the distance, everything, and it's not clear. But the sound is clear. It's always the same. And you can see it without seeing it. The sound is clear, is here in another place, and also short to you. You don't have to see the distance to see how the sound is, how far the sound is from you. So we have to be visible the sound. We have to make visible the sound, because when you do that, then you can create the energy possible to make the road that you find by your intention. The first one, the most important, is decide something, the intention. Because when you decide, then you focus. Now you have the road. Okay, now you need energy. How can I achieve energy? With the rhythm. Now I have rhythm, and now I have rhythm, and movement, and energy, and road, and intention. What you need more for that? You don't need nothing more. You have everything now. But it's just possible if you have an intention and rhythm. Because the rhythm always gives you energy. So we have to be visible, the sound. When you pay attention to the sound, the game is possible. When you see visible the sound, the game is possible. But the important thing is that the rhythm is the key for your training. Because when you're training rhythm, you don't need nothing more. And this is more, this is something that you can translate more easier into match. Because now you know what happened in the core. Now it's up to you if you want to do or not. Because if you know that and you complain, you are jogging about that. Because I understand that the players are complaining because they don't know what happened, because they give you a technique and they don't know what happened, so they need to complain because they don't know what happened. But now you know that you need an intention and you need rhythm because you need energy. Now it's up to you if you want to do it or not. Be visible the sound and you will make the game. I hope you like this video and we'll see you soon. Bye.